Jesus. This is the entire parish. There's absolutely nothing happening in Giva tonight, I can tell you that, because everyone is here. Good God. That's what I call support, Eiméar. Fair play.
Very lucky.
You are very lucky, and loads of banners as well. With the electricity prices going up, there's one that's causing some concern at the back of the house, drawing off the national grid. I can just see the ESB manager going. Hotel are going to get some bill in a month's time. So tell us, Eiméar, Jaco first and foremost, thanks to them for sponsoring you. You own your own company, your own dance school.
I do. I own my own dance school called Bróga Bríomhar Dance School, and I teach sean-nós dancing for tots right up to adults, so I can teach you stuff.
Every age group teaching Irish dance?
Sean-nós dance.
Sean-nós dance?
Yeah.
So what's the difference then? What's sean-nós dance compared to what we would know as Irish dancing?
So sean-nós is the oldest style of Irish dance in Ireland, so it dates back a long time before Irish dancing, but it never probably got the recognition that Irish dancing did with river dance.
Right. Do we know where sean-nós started? Is it a West of Ireland thing?
It sure is. It started in Connemara, County Galway. Yes.
Thanks very much. So I thank a few people for involved in the sean-nós. So you're talking about centuries ago. This started up.
And originally danced by men.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we were the ones drinking the poaching at the time. Limber up. So that's my feeling of the sean-nós. It's kind of very fluid, freestyle. Is that how you describe it?
Freestyle type of dance, yes. So there's no structured routine or specific music. You don't have to have specific shoes. You can do it in anything, which is fantastic.
Just start throwing it all out over there. Is there any specific you need though, Dac? Do you need to keep the arms by the side or back straight?
Arms nice and loose, and we just say not to bring them up above the ribs.
Not above the ribs?
Yeah, no waving.
Okay, that happens a lot. A lot of these sean-nós Instagrammers, they're a dibble, do you know, selfies. That kind of thing. So, how do you teach somebody if it's freestyle, if they can make it up as they go along? Or?
Well, each dancer would have a repertoire of steps where they would have got that from a previous teacher. So I actually got a lot of my steps from Gerard Devan and the Devan brothers, and they're from Connemara and County Galway. And they would have taught me steps, and I would have made my own of them and structured it to my style, and then passed it on to loads of kiddies here in the audience.
But there is a thread that runs right through sean-nós from its inception to even what you teach now.
Yes, so I suppose there's such a range of different styles of sean-nós dancing, which is